Okay, so the thing is kind of like strange. The weather is strange, right? Yeah, but it's all not about the weather. It's all about me getting into talking about Python programming, of which is gonna be a hectic one because it's boring to start learning how to print something on the screen because I've used C++. If I've learned C++ for boring years, like 2 years, not because it took me 2 years to take me 2 years, but I had to because I was failing. But off with that, so Python will be a bit boring at first, but well, I just have to do it. Yeah. If you want to join, you can join. If you want to try other things, you can try and just check in the comment section. I'll be happy to hear what you think about. Cheers, guys. Bye for now. Hey, not Honora. It's cold.